Everybody, so we have question number 33 here, and it takes three for loops nested into one another, and then x, which is defined from 0, gets +1 and then prints the value. And also is that from the previous line of code, previous question has the same, but the indentation of print is just next to the outermost for loop. And here I have increased the indentation almost to the this for loop, and C1 to see what will be the output. So if I have this code, I have this exact code from question 31st, where the indentation is next to the outermost for loop. And you can see here I have the for loop range from 0 to 3, and step is 1, and then has another nested loop range 3, and another third nested loop range 3. So this is almost, so this one is same as the other range values, because if you see here, if I try to find my range again, it takes a start, it takes a stop, and then it also option takes a step. So I will start from 0, I want to end at 3, and I want to have a step as 1. So you see it is almost the same, because the range 3 also means by default it starts from 0, and by default the step is 1. So if I don't give these as 0 and 1, it is same as this one. But you should also by now know that range takes a value from 0 3, so means that it will be 3, but 3 is not included, so it will be 0 1 and 2. 3 will not be included, but because it's 0 1 and 2, the total number of steps will be 3. So if I save and run this, I'm getting 27, which is correct, because if you just by calculating it, you can know, because these are nested for loops, so I can multiply 3 multiplied by 3 and multiplied by 3, because 27. So 3 multiplied by 3 is 9, and 9 multiplied by 3 is 27. So I can also know that x is added +1 27 times, and it starts from 0, so it will be 27 will be printed here. I can even like to have this on the Python tutor visualizer, and if I visualize the code and forward and forward and forward, you'll see that I'm getting x start from 0, I start from 0, j starts from 0, and next will be k start from 0, and the next becomes 1 after k had first iteration, and then you can see next k, this will keep on going for 3 times. After 3 times it was, so you saw that here k only went to 2, not more than 2, because the value range is 3, means that 0 1 and 2, 3 is not good, so k will not go to 3. And then j started, and j starts, j also goes, and you will also look on the value of x, is how the x increases, and now j goes to 2, and now j will go not more than 2 and 1, and so that's how at the end I, j, k both are 2, 0 to 1, 0 1 2, and the value of x is 27. That's done. And if I try to use the same indentation which the question is, so if I increase that's enough. One more. Yeah, so now indentation is just to this for loop, and if I save and run, indentation will 9 18, and so now it is printing for in this for loop, so it is printing 3 times for each for loop, so it is printing 9 18 and 27. If I increase the indentation again now to this for loop, so it will print 9 times. Previously it was printing 3 times, and this will print for I think 6 times. So if I run, and I'm getting 9, but with the step of 3, so 3 6 9 12 15 18 21 4 24 27. So if if I go to like this indentation, if my indentation is here, my output will be different like this. But if I have indentation a little bit wrong, like you see in the indentation one step behind this for loop, so that will give me error. If I try to remove one and save it unindented, does not match any other indentation. So see over here indentation is wrong because it has to be aligned with this one or this one, otherwise it will still give me error. So that was all about question 33. So although if the indentation is kept in along with the here for loop, it will give me some output. But if an indentation is middle of these for loops, like neither aligned with this for, neither aligned with this for, it will give me errors. So that was all about the question 33. Hope it helped. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.